Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iqra Shaukat here. Today I'm going to share how I scored highest in the essay paper, which is considered as the very tricky exam, and it's kind of filtered paper in a competitive exam. So to me it's very much easy because I tried to learn the techniques, and there are few formulas which I followed and I scored highest. Apart from this, I always consulted good material. From the good material, I meant journal, from the Google search, and I have consulted and cited quotation from a famous person. And not only this, I tried to make a good presentation on my exam, so examiner could be focused, or could be forced to see my paper, and my paper must stand out from others. So I tried to score highest due to my presentation, due to my good writing and my time management. Though it seems so that it's so kind of overwhelming, but it's actually not. If you try to practice and try to focus on one goal for 10 days, you will get master of it. And then you have to pick the second goal and you have to repeat for 10 another days. And this way you can learn writing in 30 days. For instance, in the first 10 days, I try to focus on my expression, like using phrasal verb, idioms, and correct English. That was my only goal. Regardless whatever I wrote, it's none of my focus, either it's from good quality source or not. In another 10 days, I tried to keep it to consult it from those sources which are considered as authentic. And in the last 10 days, to get the mastery on writing, I tried to focus on organization, proper outlines, proper introduction and conclusion. This is the simplest way to get mastery on it. That's why I always scored highest, because I tried to keep allocating my goals in a number of days and I have to stick to it. Apart from it, you can get evaluation, and this would help you where to focus, what are your key strengths, what are your weakness, and how you can add more. That must be up for now. If you have more questions, you may ask me in the comment section. You can reach out to me at my social forums, or you may leave a comment here. I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.